Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Preferred Equipment Group 1SB, Ride and Handling Suspension, OnStar Emergency Communication System, Heated Driver and Front Passenger Seat, Buick Infotainment System with 8-inch display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2-way powered driver lumbar control, 2 USB ports with auxiliary input jack, 6-way manual driver seat adjuster, electronic stability control, and has less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.